If there's one thing with your investing that you need to understand, it's leverage. Now, if you've got $100,000 and you invest that $100,000 into something that gives you a 10% return, then you're going to get $10,000 back on your $100,000 investment. Yeah, if you go and buy a property and you use that $100,000 for a 20% deposit and get 80% from the bank, then you've got a property that's worth $500,000. You've only put $100,000 down. If that property goes up 10% in value, it's gone up $50,000. So your $100,000 investment has now made $50,000. That's a 50% return on your investment. Now, to put a double whammy onto that, if you invest that into a cash flow positive property that's producing another 10% on your money, then you can get $60,000 on your $100,000 investment, and then it just compounds from there. When your property is worth $550,000 and it goes up 10%, again, then you've got something that's gone up $55,000, and you've still only put $100,000 in there, and it just compounds and it compounds and it compounds. You need to be in the market. Time in the market is better than timing the market.